I get this question all the time. Devin, when should a new Faceless channel prioritize consistency over production quality? Here's the short answer. Prioritize consistency as soon as your videos clear a minimum quality bar. Early on, your job is not to make masterpieces. Your job is to find a repeatable format that people actually click and watch. So what's the minimum bar? 5 things. Clear audio, a strong first 5 seconds, visuals that match the script, pacing without dead space, and a thumbnail title promise that the video actually delivers on. If you can hit those 5, ship. Here's the decision rule. If an upgrade makes the video take way longer, but you can't point to the exact problem it fixes, don't do it yet. More motion graphics, fancier editing, custom scenes, all of that is optional if your real issue is topic choice, packaging, or weak hooks. Move quality higher on the priority list only when you already see some signal. People are clicking, some videos are holding attention, and now you can say this specific improvement will likely lift retention or clarity. That's also where a workflow layer like Satura helps, because you can standardize scripting, assets, and publishing without overbuilding the process. So the rule is simple. Hit minimum viable quality, then prioritize reps until the data tells you exactly what deserves more polish.